everyone. So today's recipe is going to be cow foot and beans. Yes, Jamaican style stewed cow foot and beans. This is just absolutely delicious. First, you're going to need some nicely washed cow foot, and we're going to season this generously with a bit of salt, all-purpose seasoning, a bit of jerk seasoning, paprika, garlic and onion powder. You're just going to use what you have, and we're just going to season this nicely. Okay, now I'm going to add some browning to give it that beautiful brown color, some of my green seasoned blend, which consists of scallion and thyme, garlic and onion, scotch bonnet pepper, all of that great stuff. So this cow foot is just going to be loads of flavor. Now I'm going to mix that together, and I'm going to allow this to sit and to marinate for at least 1 hour, so the season will be able to soak within. So after sitting and marinating, now it's time to cook. So now to my Dutch pot, I'm going to add a bit of cooking oil along with some sugar. Yes, and I'm going to caramelize the sugar so the meat would get that beautiful dark brown color, even though a bit of browning was added when seasoning. And as soon as the sugar starts to foam, in with the meat. And don't allow the sugar to start to burn before adding in the meat. That will give you a bitter taste, and that we do not want. So now I'm going to mix everything together, and as you can see, the beautiful color that has been created. Yes, and I'm going to allow this to toast a bit, giving it a nice sear, and this is smelling really good. And because cow foot takes a really long time to cook, I'm going to cover this down in some hot water as not to drop the cooking temperature, and I'm going to allow this to slowly cook for about 2 hours or until the meat is nice and tender. So 2 long hours of slowly cooking, the water have reduced, the color is just beautiful, the meat is nice and tender. I'm going to flavor this up a bit some more, and it's almost ready. Now in with a bit of ketchup, yes, and this thickens and flavors the gravy. Also I'm going to add some fresh scallion and thyme, some peppers, some onion, a bit of salt, just taste and adjust. Lastly, I'm going to add some beans. Butter bean is a favorite, but just use what you like. Now I'm going to cover this, and I'm going to allow it to simmer down for another 10 minutes. Ten minutes later, this is just perfect. Oh my goodness, the gravy is nice and thick, and this is smelling amazing. I'm going to serve this with some rice, but you could have this with anything of your choice. Cow foot and beans, Jamaican style. This is just absolutely delicious. I want to thank you so very much for watching, and remember, if you like this video, do not leave without clicking the like button.